Today we're on the north side of San Antonio checking out another new construction community, but it's a little different. It's for one of you. My clients reached out to me about a month ago looking for a farmhouse style home, so we brought them to Brookestone Creek by D.R. Horton, as they're one of the few developers that designs this style of home. I absolutely love this area. It's going to be perfect for their two daughters, as they have some of the best schools in San Antonio, and we're only 20 minutes away from the airport. This particular model behind me also has a bedroom downstairs for their in-laws, which is going to be perfect. But before we get into this, my name is Dardan, your go-to expert for everything real estate in the greater San Antonio area. And it means the world to me if you go down below, smash that like button. It really helps us grow the channel. And if you don't want to miss any future videos like this, hit subscribe. Now let's get into this. So this is going to be the Naples floor plan, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, with that additional bedroom downstairs for the in-laws, like I mentioned. That's going to be on the front of the home, and it's a good sized room, plenty of space, does come with a closet, front facing, a lot of natural light coming in. And the most crucial aspect of this all is the fact that you have the bathroom right next to this room, right? So this is a full bath. You have the single vanity with a toilet, and then you do have the shower tub combo with the subway style backsplash. Very neat, very well put together. Now, this is a 2-story home, so your stairs are going to be at the front of the home. I love the trim with the wrought iron, really elegant. And as we continue on this way, we're going to have our garage access. They decided to put this light colored flooring, which is very neat, really brings the house together, and I really like it. And then off in this room, we're going to have our laundry room. Good amount of size. They do have the auto switch lights, which is very neat, because D.R. Horton does allow you to have this modular lighting system for you to place maybe an auto switch, dimmers, whatever it is that you may need. And then they have this really neat space underneath the stairs, which they have it configured as like a dog area, a little kennel, but you can use it for whatever additional storage and whatnot. Very neat. D.R. Horton utilizes the space really well. Now, as we continue and we enter really the soul of the home, where everybody's going to be hanging out for the most part, we're in the living room area right here. Off in that section, we have the kitchen, and then in the back left corner is the dining room. This is a good space. I mean, very practical home. I probably wouldn't configure it like this. Probably get a nice big sectional, especially for them, since there's going to be a lot, a good amount of people in here, the in-laws, the kids. So a very comfortable spot for them to hang out. The back 2 windows letting in a lot of natural light, and then it flows right into the kitchen. Love this island. Love the fact that they put the sink undermounted facing the living room area. A nice solid piece of granite on top, and a good sized kitchen overall, right? We have good counter space, tons of storage everywhere, and this is going to be a gas community, so you have your gas oven right in here. Now, back in this section over here, we have our pantry, and it's a good sized pantry. And again, we have the auto switch in here, but check this out. I mean, I'm standing in here, plenty of shelves, so you're never going to run out of room. And I love that they kept the bottom open for those big box items if you like to shop at Costco like I do. Now, off in this corner, we're going to have our dining room area. I mean, this is a pretty big table, right? Probably a 6-seater. Can add additional chairs on the side to make it an 8-seater. They have the bench, really neat. And then if you don't want to dirty this spot, the island has 3 additional stools for, those quick bites. Just pull up a seat, grab a quick bite, and go about your day. Very neat home, very practical home. I love the layout, plenty of space to maneuver, just a good space all in all. And I kind of like the way they added this little corner right here. This is probably where I would put my coffee maker, maybe a drip coffee maker, or even an espresso machine facing this way. And then you have your storage down there for all the pods and coffee that you may need. Now, coming this way, we'll leave the backyard after this, but coming this way, we're going to enter the primary bedroom. I mean, for a home at this price point, this particular model starts off in the mid 400s, but the community starts in the mid 300s if you're looking for something smaller. Big size room. Obviously, we have these 2 additional seats, and there's still plenty of space. We have a king size bed, plenty of furniture. And as you can see, I don't have any trouble maneuvering along with my cameraman here. So very unique and very ideal. Now coming into the primary bath, I mean, we're not cramped in here, right? We have a double vanity on this side. We have a linen nook on this side. And then over here, we have our walk-in shower. Top, same, similar backsplash with the subway style backsplash, like the other bathroom that we saw earlier. Now, continuing on in the back, we have our water closet in there. And then over on this side, we have an oversized walk-in closet. I mean, this is massive, right? Probably 12 to 15 feet this way, plenty of hanging room. And off in this corner, we have an additional 3-foot nook that adds just that added level of space. Now, let's go back through this primary bedroom so you guys can see where we're at. We're back in the living room area. As you can see, plenty of space. This is going to be the hallway that goes to the front. And look, guys, like it's not cramped here. We have a pretty wide hallway, which you don't really see in a home like this. And then now let's go check out the back patio. Very neat. It's a standard patio, a little bigger, maybe even than a standard size patio. Allows you to have a little bit of furniture out here. We have 4 chairs with a little coffee table. This home is going to be on probably a little less than an 1/8 acre. The 2-story footprint, though, I will say, does allow for the backyard to be a little bigger. As you can see from the drone shots, if you do decide to go with a 1-story, that footprint is going to be a little bigger. I did mention to you guys that we're on the north side. A lot of new development on this side, so you're close to a lot of dining, a lot of shopping and entertainment. 20 minutes to the airport, potentially 30 minutes to downtown. So you're in an ideal situation. And the best thing of it all is the school system. The high school, Johnston High School, is one of the top rated high schools in San Antonio, along with the elementary and middle school. So really neat and really ideal for my clients. Now let's go check out what the 2-story has to offer. So as we come up here, one thing that I want to highlight is the stairwell is a little wider than normal. I love that they added this landing right here. And when we come up here, you enter right into the game room. I love this space. A lot of furniture around here, and there's still plenty of room to maneuver, big space. I'd probably maybe even put a movie theater in here, like a movie theater room. You can black out those curtains right there really easy, and make this kind of a second lounging spot for the family. Now, we do have 2 bedrooms up here with a full bath for the kids. So off in this direction, we're going to have our first room. We have a closet on that side, a good sized room, plenty for a child. And then in here, we're going to have our full bath. Same thing as the one downstairs. We have a single vanity with a toilet and a shower tub combo with that subway style backsplash. Now, back behind you down this hallway is going to be our third, or rather our fourth room, our third secondary room, similar to the other one, good size, maybe a little smaller. But the thing about this room is it has a massive walk-in closet with a window, and they even put a little desk in here for whoever uses this room to kind of, if it's a kid, like for my situation in here, they would use that for homework or whatever that may be. But I'm curious, guys, go down in the comment section below and let me know, is a secondary bedroom downstairs necessary for you guys? And if you're thinking about making the move to the greater San Antonio area, I would love to be your real estate expert of choice. Down in the description below, you can find my contact information, and I look forward to showing you around town.